I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your console for a system update on Nintendo Switch. Connect the Switch to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in the AC adapter. Keep the battery at or above 20% or leave the unit charging throughout the process. Confirm you have about 10-30 minutes available for the update, though larger downloads can take longer depending on download speed. Back up your important save data to Nintendo Cloud or a micro SD backup, if available, before you begin the update procedure. Navigate to System Settings on the Home menu to start the system update. Scroll down to System and choose System Update to check for the latest firmware. The console will download any required files automatically and then install them. Typical updates take 10-30 minutes, but larger downloads can extend beyond that time. Make sure you have at least 500 MB of free internal or micro SD storage available before downloading to avoid interruptions during installation. When the update completes, the system will usually prompt a restart to finalize installation. Restart the console and then check system settings to confirm the new system version number. Next, update your games and controllers from the Home menu to maintain compatibility. If you experience slow performance or odd behavior, perform a power cycle by holding the power button down for 12 seconds and then restart. Finally, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test a game to confirm everything functions correctly after the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.